So we got one of my favorite recipes on Traeger Grill, Poorman Burnt Ends. What we're gonna do is go to the grocery store and get chuck roast. We're gonna bring it home, we're gonna season it, we're gonna put it on the smoker, and we're gonna cook it till she's tender. When it comes off, we're gonna take it and cut it in cubes, add some sauce to it, put it on a cooling rack, put it back in the Traeger, and set the sauce. When you get through with that, you got some mouth-watering, awesome burnt ends. That's what they are, Poorman Burnt Ends. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's get started cooking. See you in the kitchen. So what we got here, we got a chuck roast. This is a boneless chuck roast, got it from the local grocery store. This is a preferred angus, it's a choice cut. It's got some pretty decent marbling in there for choice cut. This part here, it starts to get a little leaner in here. We got some good marbling in this area, as you can see right in here. What we're gonna do is pretty simple. First thing, we put a coat of Rufus Teague Steak Rub on it. Second coat is gonna be bold and beefy. Blue Hogs bold and beefy. Third coat is gonna be little Louie's. It's a pretty good combination. It gives you good beef flavors, kind of a boldy with the garlic back into it. This is what we're gonna do. We'll treat this kind of like a brisket. From that perspective, we'll take and cook it till it's really tender. So like here, see a little bit of silver skin right in here? You see it right in there, not much. I'm just gonna cut this here off a little bit. One of the good things to have in your kitchen is always a good sharp knife. I really enjoy this Victorinox boning knife. It just gives me a good edge to it. It maintains a good edge to it, easy to clean. One thing to always remember now, cut thin to win. You ain't trying to do a race here. That's what we're looking for. Got a little more silver skin right back in here. We got some right here. So I'm gonna not necessarily worry about this piece right here. But that's really not on, I'll throw it on the smoke and cook it. But I want this silver skin going. So I'm gonna get right up underneath there. And just kind of flay myself back. Once you get your finger up under it, it's a little bit easier. Once you can kind of just follow that edge, follow the piece right across the edge of it, underneath it. Get to the end and cut it out. Skin it back. Like I said, Rufus Teague Steak Rub. Blue Hogs, bold and beefy. You got Big Papa's, Little Louie's garlic pepper. You can use any roast you like. This is just the ones I had in this cabinet, the ones I enjoyed using. I think it got good flavor to them. This is what we kind of use on this type of beef in the past. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna take this and let it sit in the refrigerator. Let it start sweating so the rub adheres to the meat. In the meantime, I'm gonna go and light the smoker, light it at the Traeger about 300 degrees. That way we can get ready to put this on there and let it cook. So this is what we got, Poorman Burnt Ends. The seasoning we used right here was Rufus Teague Steak Rub, Blue Hogs Bold and Beefy, Big Pellet Smoker Little Louie. We put the chuck roast, got seasoned it good, put it on the Traeger grill at 300 degrees. Around 160, we wrapped it with a little bit of butter. Around 214, we took it off, brought it here, we sliced it up, added some Rufus Teague, a touch of heat and sauce to it, set it back on the smoker to get the glaze we're looking for. So this is what we're looking for. They're not quite as fatty as a normal burnt end from point, but it's dang good. A little bit of chew to it, but this, if you lose something other that's gonna be a good appetizer to have a game day, this is it. Well, Elite BBQ Smokers, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Got new stuff coming to you every week. Catch you later. This is good. Thank you for watching the videos.